G'day everybody, it's Matt here from Still Is Life, and today I want to talk to you about how you can get free band tokens through Coinbase. So before we do that, if you don't already have a Coinbase account, you'll need one. If you have a look down in the description, you'll find a referral code for Coinbase where you can get $10 USD in Bitcoin, and you can also earn rewards in comp tokens and stellar lumens. So check out those links to get those bonuses when you sign up for Coinbase. And if you're already on Coinbase, just follow these instructions and we'll get that free band headed your way. So jump with me now over to the Coinbase website, sign in, and we'll go from there. Alright, so you're in your Coinbase dashboard. Over on the left hand side, you should see this Earn Rewards tab. So if you click on that one, that'll take you into the rewards. Scroll down until you see the band protocol section, which will look something like this and says earn $3 band and has a bunch of cards here. Now if we click on the first one, what is the band protocol? We'll go through and do that lesson. Alright, so it's going to run us through a number of data points and then we'll have a quiz on it. So the band protocol brings real-world data to blockchains like Ethereum, Solana and Polkadot. And this data includes stock prices, weather, flight info, sports scores, crypto prices and more. So the idea is to bring blockchains together. So what does band actually bring to blockchains? Privacy, real-world data, consensus, fiat currency trading. I would suggest it is real-world data. There you go. You just got $1 worth of band. So you can share the lesson, or let's continue on to the next lesson. So if you hit share, which gives you the opportunity to earn more band when your eligible friends complete this, you can just copy this link and paste it in somewhere. So if we opened a private window, for example, paste that in, and that will then send people straight here. So let's just go back and we'll continue on with the next lesson. Lesson 2. So with band, developers can create decentralized, customizable data feeds called oracles. Oracles on band secure and power the blockchain apps with just a few lines of code, which is pretty cool, really. So what are band's decentralized data feeds called? We just talked about that, right? They are oracles. Woo! 2 more bucks earned in band. Continue on to the next lesson. The band token is used to govern the protocol and secure the Oracle network. Now the band token is what you're actually getting when you complete each of these quizzes. And you can stake band to earn block rewards and a portion of data request fees. So what's a benefit of staking your band tokens? Is it recognition on band's website? No. Some crypto rewards, a unique band username, higher trading limits. It was crypto rewards. So click that one. And there you go, you've earned another $1 in band. So that's 3 lessons. If you hit the share lesson button, earn band down the bottom, it'll give you this link here that you can copy and, well, go ahead and share that with your friends. And if they sign up by going something like this and pasting it in here, then they'll get band and you'll get bonus band as well. So that's it. You can earn up to 40 bucks additional in band by sharing this with your friends. So come on back, we can go next lesson. And that also brings us through to the invite your friends screen. Now, You can tick that, and you can also hit start inviting friends here. So up to 4 friends can earn that bonus band, and you can earn that bonus band from them. So share away and have fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it really helpful. Be sure. So I hope you've and have fun. So I hope you found this video really helpful, and I hope you enjoy getting that free bonus band for your account. Now remember, head down to the description to get those referral links and make sure you get the extra bonuses from using them. I don't want you to miss out on any potential bonus there. That's it for me for today. I hope you have an awesome one, and I will catch you next time. Make sure you let me know down in the comments if there is anything in particular you would like me to talk about related to crypto investing or travel, just randomly, because I do talk about that too sometimes, often. So that's it for me, and I will catch you later. Bye.